Hi, this is Nick from Boatshed Hamble. We're just going to do an exterior walk around of this Westerly 33-foot ketch. Starting here in the cockpit, coming down the port-hand side, she's had a recently new spray hood, quite large open decks, nice wide side decks. This vessel has had new standing rigging in 2021. Looking up the mizzen mast, single spreader, sail covers are in great condition. Manual Lofrans windlass on the bow. Main mast, the radar you can see up the mast. Coming back down the starboard side to the cockpit. There are many more photos, videos and 360-degree photos on boatshedhamble.com.